Can the average Joe invest in real estate while working a full-time job? What's up, everybody? My name is Jay Helms, and I'm a real estate investor, and I'm a founder of the W2 Capitalist, and I'm about to answer that question. The simple answer to that question is yes. I will go one step further and even say the best quality side hustle on the planet is real estate investing. And here's why. You can be an active or passive investor. You can devote as little or as much time that you have available to it. With little time commitment, you'll be considered a passive investor. But if you're wanting to dive right in as an active investor to maximize your potential returns, you can do that as well. With real estate investing as your side hustle, you're investing for cash flow now with anticipated even bigger returns to come in the long term, right? So now, how do you get started? You may be asking yourself that question. If you're like me, you have a family, you have a demanding job, you have friends you want to hang out with. So you have to figure out where you're going to find the time to start. Again, my opinion, the best side hustle on the planet. To start, you need to find 2 to 3 hours a week to block out. And when I'm talking about block out, I mean, put it on your calendar, time block it. Undevoted attention goes to this side hustle, right? And as you work your way up, as you start to say no to more things that don't directly impact your side hustle or investing, you'll start to find 2 to 3 hours a day. But what I want you to do to start is just focus on finding 2 to 3 hours a week, which comes out to be about 30 minutes a day, right? Everyone has the same 168 hours a week. You have the time to do this. You just need to prioritize your daily events. So what I mean by that is swap a Netflix episode out for a podcast or a book or a YouTube video. Swap drinks out with the boys. Okay, maybe we're not having drinks with the boys right now due to COVID, but when we're back open, swap drinks out with the boys with drinks with aspiring real estate investors. There has to be a club near you, a RIA or something around you that hosts one of these events, right? And when you're taking that smoke break, and if you're not a smoker, you still need to be taking that smoke break. And what I'm talking about, I'm going to reference in this video right here. But when you're taking that smoke break, dive into a group chat or an online forum or post a question to the W2 Capitalist community, which you'll find the link in the comments below. But there are so many ways to have the best quality side hustle on the planet. When you think of real estate investing, don't think of just the sexy flipping houses show on HGTV. Don't think of the boring buy and hold method nor just the apartment syndications, right? Think of all of that, plus wholesaling, note vesting, and tax deeds, just to name a few of the seemingly endless strategies you can get into real estate investing. And they all come with different time commitments, right? So whatever time commitment you want to make, whether you want to be active or passive, there is a niche in real estate investing that's going to help you build wealth for you and your family. But I want to challenge you just to start by finding 30 minutes a day to devote to the best side hustle on the planet and start building wealth for you and your family. If you're thinking about starting investing as a side hustle, you'll want to check out this video I'm going to put right here where I answer the question, should I tell my boss about my real estate investing side hustle?